Hello guys, today I will be welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cook black eyed peas with spinach and fried plantain on the side. So I'll just go ahead and soak this black eyed peas for 2 hours. Usually I soak it in the morning, first thing in the morning. So yeah, I'll soak it with cold water, but here I have my crayfish or crawfish, my pepper, onions, my chopped spinach, and my fried plantain. And here I have my Maggi cubes, salt, and my red oil. I got it from k.foods on Instagram if you want to order one. So sit back and watch. This is what my black eyed peas look like, soaked in cold water. I'll just leave it to sit for maybe 2 hours before I start cooking it, just to soften it a little. I've soaked the beans for 3 hours or more. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add it. And once I'm done, I actually have the water to bring the water to a boil. Then add the beans, rinse out the first water, add another one, then cook on low heat for like 30 minutes until it softens or more, 30-45 minutes. Okay, the beans is already soft because I cooked it on low heat. I probably cooked it more than 35 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add onions, my crayfish, and pepper. I already added 2 Maggi cubes. Add a little, oops. And then I'll turn the heat to the medium. Add my red oil. Just guess that, and I'll try and dissolve this and let it cool before I stir it. Okay, I stirred it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add the spinach, which won't take a long time. Once I add it, like a minute, and then I'll turn the stove off. Because I don't want the vegetable to overcook. So yep, this comes to the end of this. So guys, food is ready, and this is what I had. I fried the plantain by the side. Obviously previously I said fried plantain, but it wasn't fried, it was actually cut, sliced. But here I have my beans with my spinach and my fried plantain. Food is ready. I hope you try it at home, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below to tell me how it was or how it is when you try it at home. Thank you for watching.